Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. In the first step, just go to search bar, type your settings and click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to select system tab. Then on this window, just scroll down and click on troubleshoot. After that, click on other troubleshooters, and from audio we need to click on run. This will try to detect the problem and it will show you how to fix this issue. So just close it, and after that close this window, go to search bar, type your device manager. Then from the sounds, video and game controller, expand this, right click on the audio driver, click on properties, go to drivers tab and click on update the drivers. If you are connected with your internet connection, click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update the latest drivers on your system. Then close this window and restart the system. If it does not fix this issue, then simply go to search bar, type device manager, again expand sound, video and game controllers, right click on the device, open properties, go to drivers tab and click on uninstall device, select as, and simply restart the system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys, you're good to go.